Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to give the voice prompt to the ChatGPT. In the previous video, I have explained to you how to give the text prompt to the ChatGPT. There are two prompts. One is text prompt and another one is voice prompt. In this video, I will explain to you the voice prompt. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and type the ChatGPT. Simple type it, ChatGPT. Click on it and then open the first link. Click on it. And this is the main page of the ChatGPT. So I want to give the voice prompt to the ChatGPT. Click on the voice option. I give the prompt how to create the logo for the YouTube channel. You can see here. I have give the prompt how to create logo for the YouTube channel. Then click on the arrow button. Click on it. It will summarize your prompt in own words. You can see here. This is the summarization of the above prompt. You can see decide the logo type and anything. So now I give the voice prompt in the Urdu language. You can give the voice prompt to the ChatGPT in any type of the language. Click on the mic option and I have give the prompt in the Urdu language. You can see here. The Urdu language prompt is मेरे लिए एक अच्छा सा बैनर बनाए जो YouTube चैनल के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. It's convert into the English. It's mean to make a best banner for the YouTube channel. So click on the arrow button. It will summarize the above prompt. You can see here in the picture form because I give the instruction to give me the prompt and you can see here this is the banner and click on the arrow button and then finally click on the arrow button. It will download. You can see here I have download the banner in the easy way. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to give the voice prompt to the ChatGPT. And ChatGPT received the voice prompt in any type of the language. So ChatGPT received any type of the language prompt. And this is a huge capability of the ChatGPT. ChatGPT have capability to receive the voice prompt in any type of the language because ChatGPT is the powerful AI tool. So in short, if you have any question about the ChatGPT, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.